A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, U.S. President Donald Trump invoked the Alien Enemies Act of 1798 on Saturday, claiming that the United States is facing an invasion from a Venezuelan gang known as Tren de Aragua. This sweeping authority was intended to fast-track mass deportations of individuals associated with this gang. However, just hours after Trump's announcement, a federal judge intervened, issuing a ruling that halted any deportations under the act for at least the next 14 days. The legal battle commenced when Justice James E. Boasberg, Chief Judge for the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia, responded to a lawsuit filed by civil rights organizations, including the American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, and Democracy Forward. The judge emphasized the urgency of his decision, noting that the government had already begun transporting migrants to El Salvador and Honduras based on Trump's proclamation. Justice Boasberg stated, "I do not believe I can wait any longer and am required to act," highlighting the potential harm to the migrants involved. He expressed concern that a brief delay in their removal would not adversely affect the government, as these individuals remained in custody. Trump's use of the Alien Enemies Act is unprecedented in recent history, with the last invocation occurring during World War II for the mass internment of Japanese-American civilians. The act has only been utilized a handful of times throughout American history, raising questions about its application in this context. The president's proclamation accused Tren de Aragua of being a hostile force acting under the direction of the Venezuelan government, claiming that this gang has created a hybrid criminal state that poses a significant threat to the United States. The situation is further complicated by the fact that many Venezuelans fleeing their country are seeking refuge in the U.S. due to dire conditions back home. Trump's administration has previously faced criticism for its handling of immigration issues, and this latest move to invoke a centuries-old law has sparked heated debate about the legality and morality of such actions. The ACLU's Lee Gellert argued that Trump does not have the authority to apply this law against a criminal entity rather than a recognized state, suggesting that the legal grounds for Trump's actions are shaky at best. Meanwhile, the Department of Justice defended the president's authority, asserting that halting such a declaration could undermine national security and executive powers. As the legal proceedings unfold, the next hearing is scheduled for this coming Friday, where the court will decide whether to expand the injunction to protect all individuals who could potentially be affected by Trump's declaration. This case is not just about the immediate fate of a few Venezuelans. It represents a significant moment in the ongoing debate over immigration policy in the United States and the extent of presidential power during times of perceived national threat. The implications of this ruling could resonate beyond the current situation, as it may set a precedent for how similar cases are handled in the future. The tension between executive power and judicial oversight will undoubtedly continue to be a focal point of discussion as the nation grapples with its immigration policies and the treatment of individuals seeking asylum and refuge. In the meantime, many Venezuelans in the U.S. remain on edge, unsure of their future as the legal landscape shifts beneath them. The situation highlights the complexities of modern immigration issues, where political rhetoric and legal frameworks intersect in often contentious ways. As the case progresses, it will be closely watched by advocates, lawmakers, and citizens alike, all of whom have a stake in the outcome of this pivotal moment in American immigration history. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.